Welcome back, Crafting Spirit Boosters. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Improvised Arts and Crafts. Okay, guys, see? I just took his head off. And then, see, that one goes inside like that. That's how you store it. Like that. Really nice. These are nice. They have a lot of really nice things over there. So if you guys go, hopefully you have a discount code so you can save money. But yep, so that's the rabbits. Oh wait, what I got back here? That's the other chick, because I had two of the chickens that I say I can use. Okay, let me put these to the back and bring forth these cute, if I break something, I'm just gonna sock myself. These cute little rabbits, fat, fluffy rabbits. Now they got a little nice weight on them, so they won't fall over easily and stuff. These are really cute. They're really chunky rabbits. I like them. They're freaking adorable. Now this right here, not necessarily you don't have to use for Easter, because it ain't no carrot on or nothing, but hey, you can throw together something for the cuteness and use these cute adorableness. Awesome and cute and adorable. Look at that dang flower in his ear. So precious. So precious. I love them. Okay, what else we got here? Hold up, my friends. Hope I don't cut the dang. I don't want to stop this. Now guys, check these out. I wouldn't have thought they were so tiny, but like I say, on Temu, some of these crafting pieces or decor pieces, you're going to think that you're getting something really big, but in reality, some of this stuff is tiny. These things are like an inch, but they are so freaking cute. Coral blue, hot pink, black, white, and gray. They are freaking adorable. I don't know why they look like they... Wait, hold up, y'all. Look like they just looking the wrong way and stuff. Ooh, my nails are awful. I'm gonna have to do some kind of maintenance on my nails. This is embarrassing. Okay, and I love the owls, but they're very tiny. Now these are definitely... They go in the garden, but I can... When I get a little skills on arranging these tier trays, I believe that I can make something cute going on with them. But also, I got these brooches, which I thought was a ring. These are some freaking wasps. I got two of these, and because I thought it was a ring, and it's nothing but a brooch. Cute brooch though. It's just wasps. And also, I thought these were big. These things ain't even an inch. They're not even an inch in size. They are so tiny. Like, they smaller than them ladybugs that I got from the Dollar Tree. The ones at the Dollar Tree are a little bit bigger than these. But they look big in the camera, but they're not. They're tiny. But I can, they go to this. Wait, what them things at? Hold up, y'all. They go to this. Y'all see that on there? They sit on this greenery right here. You're supposed to put them on the greenery, which I'm going to use to decorate the tier tray or something in my garden. That's what I'm going to do. Also, what is this? Oh, this right here fooled me too. I thought this turtle was huge, and it was just nothing but a little old bug-sized turtle. See it in there? Nothing but old bug size. Because be careful on Temu site. because some of these items are very, very tiny. Also, for crafting purposes, this right here is pretty stuff. This is some lace beads. This is like, not lace, but it's like a string of pearls, but it's a string of, it's some pretty, like little teardrops. Very, very pretty. It's a string of them. I think it was, what, a yard or two? And I'm gonna decorate some with that. What else? Oh, and I got these cute leaf buttons that I'm gonna decorate, make something with. Put on some item I'm gonna be making in the future. Just a bunch of buttons, leaf buttons. Beautifully colored, aphrodisiac looking to me, or Mexican looking colors, aphrodisiac colors like that. I love it. What else? Did I share with y'all everything? Nope, not quite, huh? Let me see, what's this back here? I showed y'all that. Oh, I got these right here. These little purple flowers, which I thought was bigger, but they tiny too, but they just for decor purposes. Just some purple little flowers that probably got to use the glue gun to stick them on something. And also these are, I think these go on the clothes hangers so it can have another, see they loop, they go on the clothes hangers. You put that circle part on the clothes hanger, and then that little loop right there, you hang another item on that part. So this is cool. Also, I got this for my garden. This goes on a bottle, and then you just, ooh, my finger in the way. Then you just squeeze it, and it waters the flowers. Love that. And then I got some flowers to decorate on the tier tray, or wherever I'm gonna put them. This is, I forgot the name of it, but it's pretty. It's like a rustic, off light burgundy color, plum color. And I got these right here, little delicate little flowers. Oh, this is gonna be cute once I know my way around the wreath or a tier tray. I know I'm gonna be getting down. You ladies, some of you, the ladies that know how to do that stuff, y'all be getting down. Miss Janita wanna participate. I'm trying to tell you, let me be participating. But yeah, you guys, this is the haul from Temu. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope I described and reviewed a few things, let y'all know some things about Temu. So you go over there, they got a plenty of stuff. They got clothes, they got kitchen stuff, household stuff, fashion. They got all kind of glasses, hats, purses, shoes, clothes. You gotta go look, see what you want, and hopefully when you get it, then you'll be knowing your way around Temu to know what works and what don't work. But y'all, thank you. Looky-loos, passy-bys, trolleys, visitors, friends, returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Hope this was a great review for you and shopping haul. You liked it. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to let me know what number like you are. And if you aren't subscribed, consider it. And if you just want to leave a comment, or you want to wish you well, or a compliment, or you just want to share something, please do so. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Thank you so much, Crafting Spirit Boosters, for joining me for this episode. Until the next time, happy crafting!